Hello friends, welcome to Art with Aruna, and today we are going to round off numbers to nearest lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Let's round off some numbers. Let's start. Steps to round off nearest lakh. Step 1. Circle lakh place digit. Step 2. Check the 10,000 place digit. Step 3. If 10,000 place digit is either 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then there is no change in lakh place digit. Else if 10,000 place digit is either 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then we need to add 1 to lakh place digit. Step 4. Replace ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000 digits by 0 and keep remaining digits as it is. Let's round off some numbers to nearest lakh. Here are the numbers which we are going to round off to the nearest lakh. So according to step 1, we are going to circle all the digits present at the lakh position. Here is our first number, that is 56 lakh 12,345, and here 6 is present at lakh position. So we are going to circle this 6 here. In our second number, we have 5 present at the lakh position. So again we are going to circle this 5, then 1, then 0, 0, 0, 0 and here 9. So here we circled all the digits present at the lakh position. Now according to the step 2, we need to look for the digit present at the 10,000 place. So here according to the step 3, if the number is either 1, 2, 3 or 4, there is no change occurs in the lakh position. So we need to copy the lakh digit as it is in this case. So here 1 is less than 5. So we will copy the 6 as it is to the lakh position. In next question, we have 8 at 10,000 place and 8 is greater than 5. So we need to add 1 to this 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So we will write 6 at lakh position. Here in our third number, we have 5 at 10,000 position, and due to this 5, we need to add 1 to this 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we will write 2 here at lakh position. Next we have 1 at 10,000 position, and due to this 1, we are not going to change this lakh position. So we will keep 0 as it is. Next we have 0 at lakh position, but we have 5 at 10,000 position, and due to this 5, we need to add 1 to the 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Again, we have 0 at lakh position. We have 6 at 10,000 position and 6 is greater than 5. So we need to add 1 to the 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. In next case, we have 0 at 10,000 position and 0 at lakh position. And according to the step 3, if we have 0 at 10,000 position, we need to copy the lakh position as it is. So here we will copy 0. Next we have 8 at 10,000 place and 8 is greater than 5. So we need to add 1 to this 9, and here 9 plus 1 is 10. So here we need to write down the 0 of that 10 to the lakh position, and we need to carry forward this 1 to this 5. So here 5 plus 1 is 6, and we will write this 6 here at 10 lakh position. According to the step 4, we need to replace ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000 digits by 0. So we will keep all the 5 digits 0. So here I am writing 5 zeros like this. Now next we need to copy the remaining digits as it is. So in first number we are pending with 5. So we will copy this 5 as it is. Next we are not pending with any digit. Next again we don't have any pending digit. Next we are pending with 8. So we will write this 8 here. Then 7. Then 9. Then 3. And here we already wrote 5 plus 1, that is 6 here. So we are not pending with any digit here. Now here you can see that when we round off any number to the nearest lakh, and lakh contain 5 zeros at the right hand side, and whenever we rounded off the number to the nearest lakh, we also get the last 5 digit as 0. Steps to round off nearest 10 lakh. Step 1. Circle 10 lakh place digit. Step 2. Check the lakh place digit. Step 3. If lakh place digit is either 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then there is no change in 10 lakh place digit. Else if lakh place digit is either 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then we need to add 1 to 10 lakh place digit. Step 4. Replace ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh place digit by 0 and keep the remaining digits as it is. Let's round off some numbers to nearest 10 lakh. Here are the numbers which we are going to round off to the nearest 10 lakh. Always write the numbers according to their place values for the clear presentation. So according to the step 1, first of all we need to circle the digits present at 10 lakh position. So here our first number is 31,23,456. So here 3 is present at the 10 lakh position. So here we will circle the 3. Next we have 8 at 10 lakh position. Then we have 2 at 10 lakh position. Then 0, 0, 0, 5 and then 9. Now according to the step 2 we need to look for the digit present at the lakh position. And according to the step 3, if the digit present at lakh position is either 0, 1, 2 or 3 or 4, then there is no change will occur at the 10 lakh position. So here we will copy the 10 lakh digit as it is. So here we will copy 3 as it is to the 10 lakh position. Next we have 8 is present at 10 lakh position and 5 is present at the lakh position. So according to the step 3, if the lakh digit is either 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then we need to add 1 to 10 lakh digit. So here 8 plus 1 is 9. So we will write here 9. Next here we have 2 at 10 lakh position and 9 at lakh position. So here 9 is greater than 5. So here we will add 1 to this 10 lakh position. So here 2 plus 1 is 3. So here we will write 3. Next we have 1 at lakh position, and according to the step 3, if 1 is present at lakh position, we are not going to change the 10 lakh position. So we will copy 0 as it is here at 10 lakh position. Next we have 0 is present at 10 lakh position and 5 is present at lakh position, and according to the step 3, if we have 5 at the lakh position, we need to add 1 to the 10 lakh position. So here we need to add 0 plus 1. So here we will write 1. Again here 8 is present at lakh position and 8 is greater than 5. So we need to add 1 to this 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. We need to write 1 here at 10 lakh position. Next we have 0 at lakh position. So it's not going to change 10 lakh position. So we will copy this 5 as it is. Next we have 8 at the lakh position. So we need to add 1 to this 10 lakh position. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So we will write 0 of that 10 here, and we will carry forward this 1 to this 7. So here 7 plus 1 is 8. So we will write 8 here at the crore place. Now according to the step 4, we need to replace the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh digit by 0. So here we will going to write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to write down the remaining digits. So here in our first number we are not pending with any digit. So we are not going to write anything here. Next again we are not pending with any number. In the next number we are pending with 9. So we will write 9 here at the crore place. Then 7, then 2, then 6, then 4. And here we already wrote the 7 plus 1, that is 8 here at the crore place. So here we are not pending with any digit. Now here keep in mind, here we rounded off the number to the nearest 10 lakh, and 10 lakh contains the last 6 digit as 0. So here whenever we round off any number to the nearest 10 lakh, we also have the last 6 digit as 0. Steps to round off nearest crore. Step 1. Circle crore place digit. Step 2. Check the 10 lakh place digit. Step 3. If 10 lakh place digit is either 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then there is no change in crore place digit. Else if 10 lakh place digit is either 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then we need to add 1 to crore place digit. Step 4. Replace ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh digits by 0 and keep remaining digits as it is. Let's round off some numbers to the nearest crore. Here are the numbers which we are going to round off to the nearest crore. Always keep in mind, whenever you write the bigger number, always write the numbers with their place values for the clear presentation. So here our first number is 94 crore 12 lakh 12,121, and here 4 is present at the crore position. So we will circle this 4 here. In next number 1 is present at the crore position. Next, we don't have any digit present here at the crore position. So here we can add 0 and we can assume that this 0 is present at the crore position and we are going to circle this 0 here. Next, we have 0 at crore position. Next, again we have 0. Next, again we have 0. Next, we have 8 at crore position and next we have 9 at the crore position. Now we need to look for the digits present at the 10 lakh position. So here, according to the step 3, if 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4 is present at the 10 lakh position, then we are not going to change the crore value. So here we are going to write the 4 as it is to its crore place. Next, we have 5 at the 10 lakh position, and according to the step 3, if 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 is present at the 10 lakh position, then we need to add 1 to the crore position. So here we need to add 1 to this one. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So here we need to write 2 at the crore position. Next, here we have 8 and 8 is greater than 5. So we need to add 1 to this crore position. And here we have 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So here we need to write 1 to this crore position. Next, here we have 2 at 10 lakh position. So this 2 will not going to change this crore position. We will copy this 0 as it is. Next, we have 5 and due to this 5 we need to add 1 to this 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. We need to write 1 to this crore position. Next, we have 8. This 8 is greater than 5. So we need to add 1 to this 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Next, we have 0 at 10 lakh position and this 0 will not change the value of crore. So we will copy this 8 as it is. Next, we have 8 at 10 lakh position and due to this 8, we need to add 1 to this 9. So here we are going to add 1 and here we have 9 plus 1 is 10. So here we will write 0 of that 10 at the crore position and we will carry forward that 1. So here 3 plus 1 will be 4 and we are going to write this 4 here at 10 crore position. Now, according to the step 4, we need to replace ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh digit by 0. So here we are going to write 7 zeros. Here 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and 1. All the digits are 0 at the right hand side. So here I am doing the same for all the questions. Next, we need to write down the pending digits as it is. So here in our first number we are pending with 9. So we need to copy the 10 crore digit as it is. So here we will write 9. Here we don't have any digits. So here no need to write anything. Again, no pending digit. Next, we are pending with 2. So we will write this 2 as it is. Next, we have 4. Next, we have 8. Next, we have 9. And here we are already wrote 3 plus 1, 4. So here we are not pending with any digit. And here you can see that crore contains 7 zeros at the right hand side. So whenever we round off any number to the nearest crore, we must get last 7 digit as 0. Thanks for watching friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you.